It won't spray. It is on. You can hear it on. I have no idea what's going on. Today we're going to be calibrating Sprayers Plus, the BL25E E-Power, which means that it's battery powered. Going to be doing the calibration on it. First thing I'm going to do is see what the width of the spray is that is comfortable for me to hold. When I get that width, I'm going to take 25 feet and see how long it takes me to walk that 25 feet on that spray. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to see what the output is. With those numbers, I can go ahead and do my calibration to see how much I can spray in my yard, how far it goes per 1,000 square feet, and see what the actual calibration is to me. First thing out of the box, just went to use it, and it won't spray. It is on. You can hear it on. I have everything turned to where it's supposed to be, and it's not spraying. I have no idea what's going on. I'm gonna have to dive into it to figure it out. I've tried turning it off, turning it on. So it's running. I don't know why it's not working. Got the owner's manual right here, trying to figure it out. It's almost like it's not pressurizing the line, because when I press on the handle, still nothing. I don't see anything in here because the battery's completely charged. I have no idea why it's not powering up. I don't see anything in its way. The instructions doesn't say anything about having to remove anything, having to put anything on, tightening, anything like that. And it's disappointing because I wanted to get some products down today. Get this thing calibrated and get it on its way, but I have no idea what's going on. A little bit of an update. Had to remove the nozzle from right here, and I kind of pumped it like I was priming it, and I could hear the water start to come in, and now she's a spraying. So I got some spray now. We're on our way. I don't know, maybe you have to prime them some way. Kind of as a test patch to see how wide the spray is. We'll go ahead and just spray it, and then we'll measure it out. Yep, looks like I have a pretty even 5-foot swath right there at the edge. And it comes to about right here, right at the edge here. 5 foot's actually right there. I'm going to round it down to 5 foot. It's probably about 5.5 feet, but I'm going to have just a little bit of play in there as I walk. It kind of bounces. So, on that, I'm going to do a distance test now. I'm going to run that distance test twice. How I'm going to time it is on my actual timer of my video. So you won't see a count, you won't hear a count. I just will tell you about it. I've laid my tape measure out. I'm going to see how long it takes me to walk that 25 feet in seconds. Start. Stop. See, I got a pretty even swath right down through there. Still looks to be the 5-foot swath that I had got. Looks like I'm doing the exact same amount. So I'm good on 5 feet. Once again, going to do it. Going to spray and see where I'm at. Start. Stop. So the first time that I took the actual readings, I got 11 seconds. The second time I got 9 seconds, but I stopped it short and I was kind of going a little bit quicker. So I'm going to do it at 10 seconds for my bucket fill to see how much I actually have. Alright, so I'm going to fill this for 10 seconds and I'm going to see where I am at. After 10 seconds, it looks like I am at about 6 ounces of product used. Going to be doing an Air8 application. I will be using the dilution rate of 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. My yard is 8,000 square feet, so I will be putting out 48 ounces of product over my yard. Each tank can cover 5,000 square feet, so I will be roughly doing 1 2/3 of a tank, roughly, give or take, just to cover my 8,000 square feet. So for the first tank, it's going to be the 5,000 square feet that it will cover. So 5,000 square feet times by the 6 ounce rate, I got to put 30 ounces of it for the first tank. Got to be extremely careful, this stuff stains. Liquid gold, Air8, ain't wasting it. Gonna use a little bit more water to fill it up so that I don't waste any out of this. Oh, just short. A little bit more just to fill it all the way up to the 2-gallon mark. Bang! Let's do it. On. Give it a little bit of a tighten. Let's go get this bad boy. Get the sprayer on. So out here spraying, and all my neighbors come out to come and talk to me about my yard and what we can do to help them in their yards. So I've just got my front yard done. I wasn't able to go in my backyard and get it all done. I have a half a gallon left, so I have about 1,000 square feet that I can get done. So this area right here that's in my backyard where my dogs go, this is 1,000 square feet right here. So I have just enough to do it, and it's getting dark, so I'm gonna get a spray down real quick and see how this turns out. Won't be able to do my backyard all the way in the back yet. I have to do that another day, but it's okay. I'll get these down and we'll get moving forward. Trying to look at the camera, but with it looking at me, and I'm trying to pay attention to where everything is, right? Right. So over here, we're gonna actually put rocks in against the house. I'm gonna put a border in, so I'm not gonna be spraying that. And I might actually pilfer that grass for some bare spots. So let's go ahead and spray. Oh, fell. Gotta turn your sprayer on, brother. All right, power on. Try again. There we go. 5-foot swaths. Let's do it. A little bit of dark action spraying. Getting it sprayed in the night. This area did not get the aeration done. So this is the test patch that I was talking about, that we could do a pretty good little test, because this did not receive any aeration manual. It'll only be the liquid aeration that happens over here. Okay, after that spray, I should have hardly any left in the tank if I'm spraying this at the proper amounts and passes and everything like that. For the extra, I'm actually just going to spray it in my beds, because this is all hard rock clay. So this won't hurt a thing. Not going to be very happy if I've actually just sprayed my stuff and all out. All she wrote. Sometimes you have to just stop and smell the roses, or weeping snow fountain cherries. I like it. Wife's not going to be happy with that. Got some of it on the ground. Whoopsie. This stuff stains. Sorry, babe. Okay. Before I actually mix it, I'm going to see if this will clean off where I spilled so my wife doesn't kill me. I not do nothing wrong. I spray you. I am recording. Oh, it came off. She's not gonna kill me. You kill me? Are you not speaking on camera? Are you talking crap about neighbors and not mowing their lawn? They watch my channel. And I'm putting this on there. Tell 'em, babe. Tell 'em. Good luck on finding food. She's threatening my livelihood.